Autotask was designed to help IT service providers provide service. But perhaps more importantly, Autotask was designed by humans for humans, so it's built around the way you actually work. Exactly what you'll use depends on who you are, but this video will introduce you to the possibilities and show you how Autotask can streamline your business, your workflow, and your workday. We'll start with dashboards, our role-based, interactive, fully customizable, and very, very beautiful dashboards. The Dashboards and Widgets video will show you how to create your very own, but because Autotask revolves around what you have to do, we'll get started with the My Work dashboard. My hours, my tickets, my to-dos, even my sales opportunities show up here. This is what's on my plate right now, and it's not just a snapshot. This is all data I can drill into. So I can hover for a little more information, click for the data behind the graphic, and open a detail view from there. And depending on what role you play in your organization, you might see other dashboards, like Sales Manager, which tracks your sales pipeline, or Service Technician, or Project Team Member. But Autotask is more than just a pretty face, so let's get down to work. Customers are going to call you for help, and you're going to want to add them to your system. Everything new is added to Autotask from this menu here. Add the account name and the contact, that's the name of the person who's calling, and a phone number and address, of course. If you want to be able to bill the customer for work, select Customer as the company type. Or if you want to track the sales opportunities and leads you're pursuing, you'll select a different type, like lead or prospect. Now select a manager, and you're done. The company detail will open. Here you can view any to-dos, notes, opportunities, contact information, tickets, projects, and configuration items for the company. If your security level permits it, you can also see financial information. You can also add these new entities to the company. Customers who need something like a network assessment where multiple tasks will be completed over a period of time are best served by creating a project for the work. But we're going to do some service work for this customer, so I'm going to create a ticket. If you add tickets on a regular basis, and I know you do, you'll want to start using templates immediately. Templates help you quickly fill out forms by applying a set of saved values to fields. I have a template for desktop support. See how some fields fill in automatically when I select it? This feature is going to save you an enormous amount of time, so use it. There are also a few other ways to enter tickets. Your customers can even enter tickets directly into your system using the add-on Client Portal feature. And Autotask can also be integrated with most remote monitoring systems so that tickets are automatically generated by RMM alerts. But back to the ticket. Select an appropriate queue. A queue is just a way to group tickets based on something they have in common, like a required skill set or whether the work will be done on-site or off-site. If you use service level agreements, or SLAs, you'll pick the appropriate one here. SLAs can help improve the level of service you provide by tracking your response times on tickets. Finally, you'll want to notify the appropriate people that the new ticket has been created. Specify the recipients. Select a notification template. Then save your ticket. Autotask sends the notifications automatically when you save the ticket. Since this work is going to be performed on-site, I'm going to schedule it for a service call. And done. Of course, if you schedule a lot of tickets, you'll use the dispatch calendar. Here's the service call I just scheduled. If I want to move it to a different time or day, I just drag and drop. In addition to service calls, you can also schedule appointments and to-dos for other users here. The dispatch calendar is a seriously amped-up version of your own personal Autotask calendar, where you'll see everything on your schedule. But what about tickets that aren't scheduled on service calls? You'll want to use your work list for those. You could add tickets or tasks to your own work list, and so can other people. Tickets can even be sent here automatically when certain criteria are met. Please watch our work list video for more details. The stopwatch feature on the work list helps you keep track of how much time you've spent on a ticket. I'm going to enter time on this ticket right now. Just click Record to carry the stopwatch time over to the time entry page. I'll change the status, add a note, and save and close. Now, where did my time entry go? You'll find it right here on My Current Timesheet, where ticket and project task time is automatically transferred when it's entered. This is also where you'll add regular time, which is time spent on activities that are not directly customer related, like internal meetings and vacation. Your ticket time entry also went to Approve and Post, where if you're a billing manager, you'll review it and approve it for invoicing. Since I didn't select a contract, the work will be billed using my company's standard rates. But Autotask lets you create a wide variety of billing arrangements to suit your needs. Please watch our contracts video to learn more about that. I'm going to approve the time entry, then go to Items to Invoice. preview the invoice, and begin to process all the charges. If you've got invoice emailing enabled for the company, select this checkbox to send their invoice immediately. And invoice sent. But you can print a copy if you like. If your company uses a different accounting or bookkeeping application that can import data, you can also export billing data from Autotask in CSV or XML format. So that's it. We've just converted time into money. Now let's go see how much. The Owner Dashboard is a pre-configured collection of key performance indicators, trending visualizations, and revenue metrics that span across workflows, giving you the insight into your own business that you need to make the best possible decisions. Want even more information? For that, we've got reports. In each Autotask area, you'll find related reports. There's also a separate reports area, so you can find them all in one place. You can even create your own reports with Live Reports Designer. Live reports let you control which fields display, how information is sorted, filtered, and grouped, and who can access the reports. And finally, Autotask includes optional add-ons and standard features that you can enable to further support your own unique workflow. The Client Portal is an easy-to-use website where clients submit tickets directly to you and track the status of their open issues. The Client Portal includes Taskfire, which can be licensed for clients with internal IT resources who want to work on tickets within their own company. And if you're looking for an efficient way to outsource work to other service providers, Autotask Outsourcing can track work that your partners or vendors complete for one of your customers. Autotask indicates that the work has been outsourced, automates the communication concerning that work, and handles customer billing. Need a seamless way to share procedures and technical information with your entire company? Autotask's Knowledgebase is a fully integrated knowledge management software tool. Please contact Autotask for a complete list of integrations and add-ons for your market and language. Finally, Autotask's context-sensitive help system will show you how to do anything you want. Just click this icon on any page. And our instant support site provides step-by-step troubleshooting information. And don't forget to check out our training and webinar calendar, as well as the Autotask Training YouTube channel for even more opportunities to learn more about Autotask. Thanks for joining us.